Do you know Queen's Gambit?
You gambit your queen?
No, you gambit your queen's pawn.
Oh.
Let me show you. d4, d5.
Isn't this the queen's pawn game?
Yeah, it starts with the queen's pawn game, then the white plays c4, offering the c pawn for gambit.
Oh.
If black goes for the gambit, by d takes c, white can play e4 to control the center of the board. Then if black plays a bad move, say h6, bf cross c4 wins the gambit pawn back.
Not fair.
Yeah, it is not a gambit at all. White wins.
Okay, you know everything, but do you know how this animation is made?
That you have to ask Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Hi kids!
How did you make the animation?
Using this IBEE 3D printer.
But how? Those are so amazing.
Okay, so for each second of motion, we print 12 pieces like this. Come here closer to see. See, all the data here in this printer comes from the computer. Let me show you. You see, the print data was generated by the Uniz maker, which has a one-click print capability.
Cool.
Well, okay. Now first we upload the 3D model of this pawn into the Uniz maker. Here it is. I can simply copy and paste the pawn models in order to create more pieces in one print. Then just go ahead and click. The software finds the best orientation to print objects. It also adds supports automatically to the object. Now we are bringing the soldiers to the real world. You just learned 3D printing. It's that easy. Do you like these chess pieces?
Yes, we do very much, but Dad, we need another rook.
Alright.